Hello, I'm Alekia and I'm going to be explaining on how to edit the Discover landing page and how to create and edit the raw product pages. The first thing which we need to keep in mind when we're creating and editing these pages is that the language should always be English United Kingdom. To change the language, click on the button and select the required language. Discover landing page appears like this. It is available on the main navigation as well. So the first step we do is Discover landing page uses the template Discover landing. First is the banner component. To edit the banner component, we'll go to the page design. That is the Discover. So we go to the presentation. Then we go to the page design Discover. From here we see that the page design, partial design which is being used for the banner is Discover Hero banner. So we go to the Discover Hero banner partial design. We click on presentation, we click on details, final. We click on the crossing, so that's the variant which we are using. We click on the data source, we select the data source, we close the pop-ups. We search for the data source. So discover video slide 1. The banner images can be added from the mobile, tablet, desktop image. Since we're having the video over here, so we'll just go to the section below that, slide. We'll add the slide image. We'll add the slide title which appears over here. And when we'll add the video, you can change the video by clicking on edit HTML and changing the URL over here. So that is how we create the banner component. The next is the title and the cards. So we go to the Discover page again. The title of the page can be edited from the content title field. And the cards appearing over here are the cards, all the children of the Discover page, Discover item. The next thing we see over here is the map. The map has two tabs over here, the herbs and the spices. So once we select the spices, once we select any spice, you can see the location over here. So the herbs is over here. So for the herbs, we first write the name of the item and then we write the item ID, and the descriptive text would have the locations. And to add another item over here, raw product, we would just have to write again the item. If I take the item to be a potato, then I'll have to write the item ID in braces and then I have to give its particular location. It's not necessary that all the items mentioned here should be in this field, so you can do it as you wish. And then the spices also follows the same concept as the herbs. The next thing which we have over here is this map title and the map description, which can be edited from the following fields and which would directly affect over here. Any addition or deletion to the list over here can be done from these two fields, for the spices and for the herbs. Next we see is the cards. All these images appearing on the cards are the thumbnail images which can be edited from the specific raw product. Suppose I click on allspice. Thumbnail image can be edited from the desktop image which is present in the general image section. So we must ensure that all the images which we are entering, which we're uploading, are from Biden. So this would be the thumbnail image. So once I click on Allspice, the first thing which we see is again a banner over here. The banner can be added from the banner mobile image, banner tablet image, and the banner background image, which is present in the title context section. And the title which is appearing on the banner can be added to the content title over here. The next thing which we see is the product. For this, you'll have to scroll down a bit. The products can be added from the section right column. The products are here. To add any product, you'll have to add its particular UPC code. You'll have to select it, double click, or just click once and press the arrow. And to unselect it, you can just double click to unselect it or select and then press the arrow back. The next item we see is the similar stories. To add this again, we'll just scroll upwards. In the same section, you see similar stories. To add any story, just click on this to add and double click on it to add and double click on it to deselect. The next thing we see on this detail page, the raw product page, is the description. The entire description comes from the rich text. So any changes can be done over here in the context section, edit HTML. Any changes can be done over here in the field. The next thing which we see is here is the recipes, all the featured recipes which use these products. You'll just have to scroll down a bit again. We would see the featured items over here. So again, to select, double click, to select, and double click to unselect. Suppose if you want a particular item to appear at the top, you'll just have to press the click on the select the item, click on the arrow, upward arrow, and for it to appear below, just click on the downward arrow. And then the important thing is the page design which we will be using for this product, for the raw products would be the raw product page, and make sure that you always hide it from the main navigation so that it does not appear on this tab. And this is for the editing part. And to create a new raw product, just click on discover, right click on discover, click on insert, click on discovery detail. Make sure the name which you're entering is all in lowercase. Suppose we're adding a name called potato. Click on OK. The new item would be created, and fill the fields as before. The same fields the fields which have to be filled is the title, the content, the banner images, the thumbnail image which would appear on the cards that would be on desktop. The page design would be the raw product which you can select from here, raw product page, and then exit from the main navigation checkbox. Select the featured recipes from here. Select the similar story and select the similar product. And this is how you add a raw product. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you.